How to set up Google Analytics on WordPress using Monsterinsights. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site using Monsterinsights. This is an easy way to track your website's performance and gain valuable insights. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar type Monsterinsights and install the Monsterinsights plugin. Once installed, click on Activate. After activation, you'll see a new menu item labeled Insights on your dashboard. Click on it and then select Settings. You'll be prompted to authenticate your Google Analytics account. Click on the Authenticate with Google button. Choose the Google account associated with your Analytics property and allow the Monsterinsights to access your data. After connecting, select the correct website profile you want to track and click Complete Authentication. Once authenticated, you can customize your settings in the Monsterinsights dashboard. You can enable features like enhanced link tracking and scroll tracking for more detailed insights. Make sure to save your changes. To ensure everything is set up correctly, go to your Google Analytics account and check the real-time report. If you see active users on your site, congratulations! You've successfully set up Google Analytics using Monsterinsights. And that's it. You're now ready to monitor your website's performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching.